Hi, this is Sharad, the owner for Your Home Sold Guaranteed and TradeMyHome.com. I would like to thank you for scheduling to show one of our awesome certified homes to your VIP buyer clients. Hook number 2. I would like to thank you for showing one of our awesome certified homes to your VIP buyer clients. As a reminder, all of our certified homes comes with a full buyer satisfaction guarantee, which means that at any time if your buyer is not happy with the purchase, you as their lifetime agent can call us back within the next 18 months and we will buy the property back from you. We will also give this guarantee to your buyers in writing at the time of purchase. If your buyer has a home to sell, please let them know that if they buy this home, we will buy their home, guaranteed for cash and within 24 hours. As an added benefit of showing our properties, you can extend this guaranteed cash offer to any of your other buyers on other properties too. If you bring us a full price offer on any of our awesome certified homes, we will also send you on a 5-day, 4-night luxury cruise vacation package as a thank you for helping us sell our property. We are also looking for 2 to 3 ambitious and full-time real estate agents to be our Zillow partners. If you know of anybody who may be looking to increase their annual gross commission income by a minimum of $100,000 guaranteed in the next 12 months, please have them call, email, or text me directly. We look forward to be in business with you.